Welcome to Smart Explore Kids, where learning meets adventure.
Get ready, kids! Today we're meeting the heroes on wheels, wings, and water, the emergency vehicles that rush in to save the day.
This is an ambulance.
Ambulances rush patients quickly to the hospital when they need help.
Say hello to the police car.
Police cars zoom through the streets to keep everyone safe.
Here comes the rescue helicopter.
Rescue helicopters fly high to reach people in tough places.
Meet the Wildfire Truck.
Wildfire trucks fight fires deep in the forests and mountains.
This is an EMS vehicle.
EMS vehicles carry paramedics and equipment to emergencies fast.
Look, it's a snowblower truck.
Snowblower trucks clear snowy roads so help can reach safely.
Here comes the police helicopter.
Police helicopters watch from the sky to guide officers below.
This is an air ambulance.
Air ambulances fly patients to hospitals quickly in emergencies.
Say hi to the SWAT rescue vehicle.
SWAT rescue vehicles carry special police teams for big missions.
Here comes the police van.
Police vans transport officers and sometimes even suspects.
This is a rescue vehicle.
Rescue vehicles bring equipment and helpers to save lives.
Meet the van ambulance.
Van ambulances are smaller ambulances for quick medical help.
Here comes the rescue boat.
Rescue boats save people stuck in rivers, lakes, or the sea.
This is a police motorcycle.
Police motorcycles weave through traffic to respond fast.
Look at the firefighting aircraft.
Firefighting aircraft drop water from the sky to stop wildfires.
Here comes the fire engine truck.
Fire engine trucks spray water to fight fires in towns and cities.
This is a ladder truck.
Ladder trucks reach tall buildings to rescue people and fight flames.
Say hi to the tow truck.
Tow trucks pull away broken or crashed vehicles from roads.
Here comes the Coast Guard cutter.
Coast Guard cutters patrol oceans and save people at sea.
This is a police bicycle.
Police bicycles help officers patrol parks and streets quietly.
Look, it's a rescue hovercraft.
Rescue hovercrafts glide over land and water to reach people.
Here comes the firefighting robot.
Firefighting robots roll into dangerous places to fight fires safely. Great job, little heroes! We learned about so many brave and powerful emergency vehicles today. Keep watching, keep learning, and maybe one day, you'll ride in one of them too.